Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to claim tax credits step by step. First, it's essential to understand that tax credits directly reduce the amount of tax you owe, dollar for dollar, unlike deductions which only reduce your taxable income. Next, you'll need to confirm your eligibility for specific credits, as each has unique criteria. Finally, begin collecting all relevant documents, like W-2 forms or investment statements, to support your claims. Now, let's identify the credits you might qualify for. Many common credits exist, such as the child tax credit, which can be worth up to $2,000 per qualifying child, or the earned income tax credit, benefiting low to moderate income individuals. Don't forget credits for education, like the American Opportunity Tax Credit, offering up to $2,500, or those for energy-efficient home upgrades. A quick search or chat with a tax pro can reveal many opportunities. Once you know which credits apply, it's time to complete the necessary tax forms. For instance, the child tax credit is typically claimed on Schedule 8812, while education credits often use Form 8863. Carefully transfer information from your gathered documents onto these forms. Pay close attention to detail, ensuring all numbers are accurate. A small error could lead to processing delays or even a reduced refund, so take your time. Finally, it's time to file your return. You can submit it electronically for faster processing and confirmation, or mail a paper copy. Remember to file by the deadline, typically April 15th, to avoid penalties. After filing, it's crucial to maintain meticulous records. Keep all your tax forms, receipts, and supporting documents for a minimum of 3 years or even longer in case of an audit or future reference. This ensures you're always prepared.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.